y'all, it's Taryn. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you guys have joined me again for another week of planning. I am still in a spring mood, so I am going to plan completely out of this Capitol Chic Designs Floral sticker book that I got from Michaels. This is my first time doing a spread with this book. I actually did my April monthly, which I'll probably just put a picture in. I didn't get a chance to record it, but this will be my weekly spread that I use with this book, but I actually did a monthly too for April. So I am loving this book. I wanted to just have something really springy and girly for April. After the last 2 weeks, I kind of did, things a little bit more out there with the silver and with the all yellow. So I just wanted to just be a little bit muted this week. It's going to be a busy week for me, so I just wanted to kind of get this out of the way. I hope you guys are doing good. As you can see, still over there in the left-hand corner are my DIY sticker books. I add to it each week, but you just really do not realize how much that you have until you have to take it out and organize it. And I'm just like, okay, what is going on? So it's inspired me to be team use of these stickers, because it was starting to make me anxious looking at all of this stuff. But that video is still in the works, like I say every time, but I just didn't want it to be a super long video, because as you can see, my videos are pretty short and to the point. That's the kind of videos I like to watch, so that's kind of what I wanted to create with y'all, because sometimes when I'm cleaning or whatever, I can sit and watch a 30-minute video. But other than that, I'm just like, I just want to see, the process of the end result, because I'm busy. So hopefully you guys like my style of planning. I do plan on doing longer videos maybe in the future, but life is just crazy right now. So this is 100% a hobby for me. So I just have to do it when I, can make time. So hopefully you guys are enjoying it. I'm just kind of placing all my little stickers, and I wanted to use 100% from the book, so I'm just kind of trying to figure out where things go. I only have like 2 months, as you can see, like in my little fitness tab back there, 2 months left on my fitness, because it just was like a 6-month one. So I'm determining whether or not I'm going to continue with that. I like it, but I don't know. I feel like I fell off as far as actually using it to its full potential. So I have until June to make up my mind, but we'll see. And then in the back, I'm actually going to do like a planner flip through, because I'm in the process of doing like spring cleaning. So back there are some checklists that I printed out and sized it for the mini that I put back there as well. So I'm still kind of transformer planning, but I think I might take fitness out and put something else in its place. Maybe like notes or like a notebook or something, but we'll see. So as you can see, I kind of already did some makeshift tabs, because I'm actually going to order some tabs that'll say like exactly what is going to be on each divider. So right now I'm just using some little post-it notes that says like to do, like my fitness and boxes. I actually probably am going to have to buy like another expander ring for my other stickers, but I don't know. I'm just trying to wrap my head around having all these sticker books. But my goal is to have 3. And then I'm going to move on to showing you guys my household manager planner that I'm working on as well. So I'm thinking I'm probably going to batch video a lot of my videos, so that way I can start showing you guys some of the other stuff that I do. Because like I said, it's a hobby, and I didn't realize how much taking up time, like filming and editing and doing all that stuff. But I do have a lot of ideas in my mind that I want to share with you guys. So hopefully you like this video, guys. I know I haven't talked on a video in a while, so that's why I wanted to kind of bring it up to date. But I love it, and thank you so much for watching. And please follow. I'm now on Instagram. Comment and subscribe.